Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Amazon and going straight to Login and Security. This is where Passkey's live. Once signed in, verify with your password or MFA so Amazon shows full security controls. Make sure the device that stored the passkey is nearby because you may need to confirm ownership. If prompted, complete a quick extra verification step so you can access the passkey management options. Now that you're in Login and Security and verified, proceed to view saved sign-in methods to locate the passkey. Once inside the passkeys area, scan the list to find the correct entry. Names usually show device type and date, so you avoid deleting the wrong one. After identifying it, click or tap the passkey entry to open management actions. You'll see options like Rename, Export, or Remove. Choose Remove or Delete to start unlinking. Amazon will ask you to confirm with account verification again. Confirming tells Amazon to revoke that credential across its systems, so it can no longer authenticate your device. After you confirm deletion, Amazon revokes the passkey. Wait for an on-screen success message, and then sign out and back in to verify the change. Make sure you remove any duplicate passkeys on other devices to prevent accidental reuse. If deletion fails or the passkey still authenticates, go to your device's passkey manager, like iOS settings or Android credentials, and remove the entry there as well. If problems persist, contact Amazon support with the passkey name and timestamps for deeper revocation help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.